Welcome to Scrapyard Diecast Racing. DIY!
Hot Wheels, carrying case, life hacks!
Hey fans, does this ever happen to you?
You have one of these awesome Hot Wheels cases,
But when you try to open it,
your whole collection comes pouring out. That sucks.
well, don't worry, the Scrapyard has a life hack for you.
All you're gonna need is a drill and some pipe cleaners.
Or a 1/8 inch by 4 inch long toggle bolt.
So once you close the lid, you're gonna drill a hole in the center of each of those plastic tabs.
Children or inexperienced people should never use power tools. Always ask a member of the wrecking crew.
Anyway, once the holes are drilled, you want to feed through the pipe cleaner and tie it up.
But not so tight you start pulling in on the plastic tabs.
Then you could give it the old shake test.
And then blammo! No more Hot Wheels cars all over the floor.
And if you want to make it extra secure, then you could use the toggle bolt instead of the pipe cleaner.
And here it is on a case with a blue door so you could get a better view of the finished product. But
Now that we got one side done, let's take a look at the other. That side sucks too.
the cars just fall down the center like a bad game of Plinko.
Well, here's what you want to do. You want to cut up some strips of cardboard that are about 1.5 inches by 3.25 inches. Yeah, like that.
Then put in a strip of cardboard on each slot and bye-bye Plinko.
So with just some scrap you probably already have lying around the house anyway, you can end up with a Hot Wheels case that's perfect.
And that's been your
Scrapyard Diecast Racing. DIY!
Hot Wheels, carrying case, life hacks!